in day number 39. Day number 39 in the COTPS system. Every single day keeps getting better. It keeps getting, like some people say, it gets gooder and gooder. What? What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to your favorite channel where we talk passive income, stocks, crypto, and affiliate marketing. Go ahead and give me the LNS special, guys. You know what I mean. Hit the subscribe button for more content to help me get to my 500 subs by the end of the month. Today we're back with the COTPS system. That's right, the crypto over-the-counter pass. Let's get into the disclaimer before we get into today's topic. This channel and the information included are not intended to serve as a substitute for financial consultation. Certain issues, concerns, and conditions always require the advice of appropriate legal professionals. Seek financial advice when needed and necessary. If you would like, you can come back, pause the video, and read the rest of this in your spare time. Let's go ahead and look at the COTPS system. We are in day number 39 or 40, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check. We are in day number 39. Day number 39 in the COTPS system. Every single day keeps getting better. It keeps getting, like some people say, it gets gooder and gooder. But right now we at 34.40 on the day. And as you can see right there, 34.40, and the transaction 34.37. We got 3 sitting over here, so we're close to 34.38, but they rounded up for you, so it's 34.40. Looks like they rounded it up for us. And let's check out today's stats, the statistics. So we got 34.40. Let's pull out our handy calculator so we don't want to put these numbers in wrong. So 34.40, just to show you how much this is that we profited today. Mine is 33.04, and this is all without me doing anything but just coming back and pretty much doing nothing, just coming back and clicking it and hit the refresh button to make sure the money is there. Today's profit is 136, so profit margins are going up. Let's see what percentages we are. It should be a little bit over the 3% mark. 34.40. It's going to be probably a little bit over. I would say probably 3.5. About 3.95% for the last 24 hours from 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. And that's what we have right now. For those of you who are interested, I will be leaving a link down in the description below. This system is giving me passive income every single day. What it is a system you deposit crypto, which is USDT20 on the TRC20 network, which is the Tron network. If you're not familiar with crypto, it's going to be another link down. It's going to say team resources underneath the description. I may pin it up in the bottom in the comments as well. And that's going to, if you're not familiar with crypto, it's going to be information and videos in there that's going to show you how to do everything, how to sign up, how to get the crypto, multiple ways to get the crypto. It's going to answer about 90% of your questions. If you have any, check out the site that's going to be in the team resources below. And this particular system is the system that we call crypto arbitrage, where all we're doing is logging into our account every single day and we get profit. Let me go back to the top to show you where I started. I started by day one where I found it was close to $800, $797. The first day I made $20. And every single day it goes up. It may go down just a little bit and it goes back up. Then I made another deposit, $100, then another $17 deposit. Then I gave away $60 to people who joined my team, which was a giveaway that I did. I actually gave away 100. It's only showing 6, so I gave away 40 at another date. And then I added another 500. That was pretty much some crypto that I had in my Robinhood account. I pretty much just transferred it to this particular account. And now we're all the way, if you keep coming down, it's 40, 150. That was when I made the deposit. And every day you can see that it's getting bigger and bigger. This was after the deposit. And now we're up to $100 days. This was a day where I missed a lot of transactions because I paused it to do that transaction. There's some things that had happened, so I paused it and I forgot to turn it back on for that day. So I missed a couple of transactions for that day. So that kind of slowed me down just a tad bit. But as you can see, we're right back to $100 because it looks like we're going to be trending to $100 days, and we're going to be close to 200 days by the end of the week. So if you're interested in learning more, if you're interested in knowing what's next, just go down and check down the description below. It's the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.